Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Pinterest, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Start by creating a Pinterest account if you don't have one.
Choose a business account to access analytics and tools designed for marketers.
Set up your profile by adding a profile picture, a short bio, and a valid website link.
Next, create boards that align with your investment interests, such as stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrency. For each board, pin high-quality images and informative articles that relate to your investment topics.
Use keywords in your board titles and descriptions to improve searchability. Follow industry leaders and financial influencers to gain insight and inspiration.
Engage with content by repinning articles and images that catch your eye. Regularly check your analytics to see which pins perform best. Create your original pins by summarizing investment ideas or tips with captivating visuals. Join group boards that focus on investments or finance to expand your reach. Collaborate with other investors or influencers by guest pinning or sharing content. Learn from your analytics which topics visitors are most interested in.
Adjust your content strategy based on what resonates with your audience.
Bookmark and organize essential articles and tools for easier access later. Explore Pinterest's video features to share quick investment tips or market updates. Consider promoting your pins to reach a wider audience and drive more traffic to your boards. Stay updated with the latest market trends and incorporate them into your pins. Focus on building a community by engaging with your audience through comments and messages. Regularly review and refresh your boards to keep your content relevant and valuable. Stay patient as building a strong presence takes time and consistent effort. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current.
If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.